Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're sharing essential tips for building a fence on a budget. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or planning to hire help, these strategies will help you save money while ensuring a sturdy and attractive fence. Let's get started. Step 1. Plan and measure. Before buying materials, measure the length of your fence line to avoid wasting money on extra supplies. Step 2. Choose affordable materials. Select budget-friendly materials like treated wood, chain link, or bamboo. Look for sales and recycled materials for extra savings. Step 3. Use pre-made fence panels. These save time and reduce labor costs while still giving you a sturdy fence. Step 4. Go the DIY route. Renting tools and installing the fence yourself can save on labor costs and give you full control over the project. Step 5. Use gravel instead of concrete for the posts. It's cheaper, easier, and provides excellent drainage to prevent rot. Step 6. Protect your fence with a coat of stain or paint. This small investment will make your fence last longer without much extra cost. By following these budget-friendly tips, you'll be on your way to a successful fence project without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for even more fencing advice. If you need professional assistance, feel free to contact us at 7817673596 or visit our website. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.